Yeah, so yesterday, we did not catch chickens. We did that today. Well, I mean, some of us did.
I did.
Yesterday.
Some people
I
got
did.
chickens.
Cool. Yeah.
Yesterday we walked. It was pretty cool. And we
From?
we walked from. I can't actually remember the name.
Clear Creek to
Porcupine.
Porcupine, and then like 7 of us came up here yesterday for the evening.
Like 25-minute walk kind of thing.
Yeah, pet all the animals. Caught a
And
bunch
where's
of
this?
chickens.
Where are you guys talking to me from?
Crooked Creek.
No.
Oh,
No,
this
no,
is
right.
Philmont.
This is Crooked Creek. That's right. This is Crooked Creek.
And we're in Philmont, by the way.
This is a homestead site. You guys do anything else yesterday?
Made a fire, which Gabe is apparently going to top today. Let's see.
But you didn't do anything while we were in camp, Alex?
Anything while in camp? Nothing in particular.
Oh, I thought you shot guns yesterday.
That's a good point. We did do that. We shot guns, and I shot my sweater. They're holding it now. That's
Right.
kind of what happened when you shoot your sweater.
Yeah, and there was tomahawks. At least one person did some
Yeah,
tomahawks.
riding tomahawks.
We did
He
a
just-
tour of a fur trapper's cabin. You guys dried out your clothes, yeah?
Yeah, only for them to be undry.
Or tents, I should say. Anything else? It's good to be kicked by the scoutmaster.
Don't use your chicken against me.
Yeah, that's what I can think of.
Really?
All right, all right.
That's literally what came to mind.
You like a chicken, sir?